Claude-code is an agentic coding tool in your terminal. Number 5 is Plane, which the project describes as an open-source project management tool to track issues, run cycles, and manage product roadmaps without the chaos of managing the tool itself. The project's own release notes say that cycles and modules return trimmed payloads that are built for pickers, drop-downs, and sync jobs which only need identifiers and display fields. The project says a free account on Plane Cloud is the fastest way to get up and running without worrying about infrastructure, and self-hosting Plane on your own servers is the alternative. Number 4 is Modular, whose repository hosts open-source components of the Modular platform, a unified platform for AI development and deployment that the project says includes the Max framework and the Mojo language. To get started with the Modular platform, you serve a model using the Max framework and follow the Max Quick Start guide, while the Mojo language has a separate Quick Start guide. The project lists the main components of the repository as the Mojo compiler, the Mojo standard library, the Max accelerator library, the Max inference server, and the Max model pipelines. Number 3 is N8N, a fair code platform to build and deploy AI agents and workflows that combines a visual canvas with custom code, runs self-hosted or in the cloud, and connects to 1,500+ integrations. The repository lists 1,500+ integrations and 9,000+ workflow templates to connect AI with your existing systems, and it describes itself as AI automation you can trust with real work, from prototype to production. In the project's own words, N8N is a fair code workflow automation platform with native AI capabilities, built to deploy AI agents and workflows either self-hosted or in the cloud. Number 2 is OpenLogi, which the project describes as a native, local-first alternative to Logitech Options Plus, written in Rust, remapping buttons, DPI, and Smart Shift over HID++ with no account and no telemetry. The feature list pins each capability to a HID++ code, DPI control with presets at 0x2201, the Smart Shift will panel at 0x2111, and per device native scroll inversion at 0x2121. You install it with a single homebrew cask, brew install OpenLogi, and the project says it unlocks the full capabilities of Logitech mice, keyboards, and webcams over HID++ and UVC. Number 1 is claude-code, which the project says understands your code base and helps you code faster by executing routine tasks, explaining complex code, and handling Git workflows through natural language commands. The setup note says installation via npm is deprecated, so you use one of the recommended methods instead, and the README points to the setup documentation for uninstall steps and troubleshooting. You navigate to your project directory and run Claude, and the README says you can use it in your terminal, in your IDE, or by tagging Claude on GitHub. That is the countdown, and the useful question now is not which project has the most stars, but which one you would actually install this week and keep running. You came for one terminal tool and leave with a whole shortlist you can install today, so pick the one that fits your week, and subscribe if you want tomorrow's list.